You could also set it up on the phone or the counter. That's usually what I do. I like to prop it up on something. There you go.
Except it's a chin view.
Well, we could like bend down. Now it's a chest view.
I feel like all your boobs.
You know?
I'm like, dang, that's not a good angle.
Actually, wait a minute. Hang on.
Wait, oh look, I raised it.
Oh, I was gonna say I've got an
Little
octopod.
tripod?
I've got an octopod thing.
Oh, and I have a
that works too.
Except that's too light behind. This is too.
Yeah, the window. It's not good to have the window
I
behind.
don't know. Let's do this. There's less window. There's lots of ceiling. It's not hot. Oh. All right, let's just try that. I don't know.
If we can get the.
I love those mats.
You can set it up on top of that. It's a little bit higher.
It doesn't hurt.
There you go. That's good. Now that we've filmed like a minute and a half of nothing.
That's all right. I'll edit it all.
All right. It's your show.
It is my show. All right, so I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today I am doing the Saturday Stitch-uation where we talk about all things quilting. Today I am at the EQ8 campus, well, this is not a campus, in Bowling Green campus in Ohio, learning how to use EQ8 software. And look who I found here. I don't know if any of you have seen her or met her. You need to check out her channel. She's Rona, the traveling quilter.
That would be me, yes.
And I would like you to tell my viewers a little bit about it.
Okay, so if we have not met yet, hi, I'm Rona Herman, also known as the Traveling Quilter. I'm at Rona the Ribbeter on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. I'm all over the place, literally. So I literally travel around the world and I bring you information about the different types of quilting travel, so tours, cruises, shows. There's lists on my website of the quilt shops by state, shows happening around the world, museums. And then my YouTube channel, you get to travel along with me and meet fabulous people like Miss Lynne here and all the other people all over the world that in our massive quilting community. So, yeah.
When she was telling me all the countries she's been to and planned to go to, I'm like, dang, I thought I got around the U.S. quite a bit.
It's like, a hard job, I gotta say.
So I have not done a lot of quilting tours. My goal, today's Friday, you'll see this tomorrow, but my goal is to try to get into at least one, maybe two quilt shops in this area. Hopefully you will see a small quilt shop tour from me, but sounds like you're going to have a better video of this whole experience.
Yeah, we're filming, well, I'm filming here at the EQ Academy, a couple of the classes, and then some interviews with the people that run Electric Quilt because I am a user of EQ, have been for years. So yeah, that should be coming out in a few weeks on the YouTube channel.
Yes, watch for her.
Excellent. It was so nice to meet you.
It was. I'm so glad you were talking. Thank you. I just won a contest. Look what I got at EQ8. I'm in class, day number 2.
It brings up whatever sketchbooks you have and whatever you put in them.
Look what I made. We're looking at everybody's projects. So we have a little parade as we get to walk through there. Cool. It's a kind of virtual quilt show. Electronic quilt show. That's it.
You know, and you just keep sewing it to one. So then when you put it together, you know what is black.
Oh.
Different, everybody, somebody, yeah, absolutely. So there's so many things.
We are doing a virtual quilt show. It's kind of like a, what would you call this? It's not a virtual quilt show because we're a digital quilt show.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't do that. I think so she could get her.
I got it home. Something out of the ordinary. Chance. I did a vegetable garden and I thought that was it for people. I mean, well, that's almost half.
All right, so we are at our last destination. We are at our final hotel. We are checking in. Then we're going to go return the rental car because it's like over there, really, really, really close. And then we're going to take the shuttle in the morning to the airport and fly home. So it's one more day of travel and it will be fun. So today we went on 2 shop tours. I'm going to make a couple of videos on those. Those will be coming out a little bit later in the week. We're still doing the Monday Live on Monday, so be sure to come back for that. And this has been a fun week, fun week. So I'm wrapping the Stitch-uation up so I can go inside once we get checked in and wrap the video up and get everything. Oh, got a funny background, huh? Anyway, and then be able to finalize this so I can get it posted. So sorry it's taken me so long and you didn't get to see this sooner. But thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for supporting me. And I will be around Monday. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.